Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Earth and Sketchup together. In Google Earth, locate the building cluster and export a KML or KMZ of that area. This preserves footprints and place marks. Once done, make sure your KML includes 3D buildings, toggle 3D layer if needed, and note the coordinate origin. In SketchUp, prepare a new model with a matching unit setup and set the geolocation tool ready. These steps let you import geometry and align textures accurately when you bring the file into SketchUp. You import the KMZ into SketchUp using File Import, selecting the KML/KMZ and choosing to import as geometry. Once imported, inspect the model for nested groups and raw meshes. Explode only where necessary and use selection tools to isolate building shells. Make sure faces have correct orientation, reverse faces if textures appear inside. Next, apply materials from the imported imagery and consolidate repetitive elements into components to reduce file size. While doing this, you finish by cleaning up and optimizing. Reduce polygon counts on facades, correct UVs if textures stretch, and convert repeated buildings into components for performance. Once satisfied, verify real-world scale and north orientation, then export as SKP or OBJ depending on your workflow. If buildings appear shifted or missing, try re-importing the KMZ with a slightly different origin, or use SketchUp's Move and Rotate with exact coordinates. Often a small translation fixes misalignment. Finally, save a packed copy with textures so the model transfers cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.